I'm using my Galaxy J7 Prime for vlogging right now. Hi guys, it's Sheila Murphy here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will gonna give you some top tips on how to start vlogging using your phone. So keep on watching! Akala kasi ng iba, kapag mag-vlog ka, you need to have your DSLR camera, which is hindi naman ganon. As long as you have your mobile phone and it has the camera, you can start vlogging. Number 1 tip, you should prepare your phone. It's either Android man yan, or iPhone, or kahit na anong brand ng phone na meron kayo. Dapat prepared siya in terms of the memory. Kasi ang pagre-record ng video and then editing ng video is medyo malaki na kakain sa phone na memory storage. So, dapat prepared yung phone nyo, dapat merong memory card yung phone nyo o kaya yung mismong phone nyo is malaki yung storage niya. I have here my Samsung J7 Prime and it only has 32 gigs. So, medyo malaki na rin naman. Kaso lang, sa pag-download ka lang ng editing apps and then additional yung mga video na gagawin nyo, medyo malaki talaga yung makukuha. So, we will start taking video on this phone that I have. So, I'm using my Galaxy J7 Prime for vlogging right now. So, napakaganda naman ang quality niya. So, depende rin sa phone kung anong meron kayo. So, maganda naman yung quality niya. And as long as kita ang mukha nyo and nakakapagsalita kayo ng maayos at naririnig kayo ng audience nyo, walang problem. So, for the second tip, if you will gonna record on your phone, make sure na naka-landscape siya. Hindi siya naka-portrait. Kasi pag naka-portrait, ang pangit. Ganito yung kalalabasan niya. Ganyan ang kalalabasan niya, which is, ayaw mo naman manood ng video na ganyan, na black yung gilid, diba? So dapat, laging naka-landscape yung phone nyo pag magre-record kayo. Para naka-fit na rin kasi siya for Facebook, if i-upload nyo siya sa Facebook, or sa YouTube. So, maganda siya. Naka-landscape na siya, hindi mo na kailangan i-edit pa. Although, meron namang ibang apps kung saan na rin naka-portrait siya, and then parang may background siya na parang shadow or whatever. Pero mas maganda pa rin naman pag naka-landscape. So, for the third tip, which will be the lighting. So, right now, I am using my studio light. So, napaka-importante ng ilaw kasi dyan makikita yung kagandahan nyo, kagwapuhan nyo, at parang nakikita din kayo ng mga nakasubscribe sa inyo at mga nanonood sa YouTube nyo. So, ganito siya. Itong akin, meron akong ilaw ngayon. So, kaya medyo nakikita nyo yung mukha ko. So, if walang lighting, ganito siya. Diba, medyo dark. Maliwanag pa rin naman, pero medyo dark. Kaya mas maganda pa rin ng may ilaw para maliwanag ang buhay. Oh, marami ko subscribe din kayo, ha? Thank you! Yan. Ayan, may ilaw ako. So, kapag pinatay ko yung ilaw, ganyan siya. Maliwanag pa rin naman kasi merong bintana dito sa gilid ko. So, nakikita niyo yung difference. If kapag nasa likod niyo yung liwanag, hindi kita yung mukha niyo. So, pangit siya. So, dapat nakaganto kayo. Ayan! Para kitang-kita ang mukha niyo. Hindi yung tulad nung nasa likod. Kita naman, kaso medyo madilim. So, if you are recording outdoor naman, so hindi nyo naman kailangan bitbitin yung ilaw nyo na pagkalaki-laki para mag-travel vlog kayo and then sabihin nyo na, "Hi guys, ganito." Hindi nyo naman kailangan bitbitin yun. Kailangan nyo lang ng tamang lighting from the sun, kailangan maliwanag. Basta kita yung mukha nyo. So, tip number 4, which will be the editing apps. So, once na natapos nyo na yung pagre-record nyo ng video and everything like that, so you should have an editing apps kung saan nyo siya i-edit. So, if you're using an iPhone, I tried it before with my iPhone 6s, and meron silang iMovie. It's very simple, and nandun na rin lahat ng kailangan mo. So, kailangan nyo na maging creative. And for Android, we're lucky kasi marami tayong free application na pwede nyong i-download sa Google Play na maganda ang pag-edit, and then you just need to be creative, same as with iPhone. Tip number 5, which is start. You just need to start. And you should pick what topic you want. Ano bang gusto nyong sabihin sa YouTube video nyo? Ano ba yung topic nyo? Ano ba yung gusto nyong iparating sa mga subscribers nyo? So, just do it. Start. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video will help. And to all aspiring bloggers out there, just do it. And good luck. And to all vloggers and new YouTubers out there, comment down below and let's hug each other. Thank you so much guys. Cheers!